Let us select a front plane. Now select a rectangle. Select dimensions in mmgs, that is millimeter gram second. Uh, Now define the dimensions as 1000 and 250 mm. Now let us rotate it, I mean revolve it using the center line. Now once again we have to select a front plane, normal to, select a center line from this point to this point and make it vertical. Understood? Now let us take a line and create a triangle somewhat like this, defining it as 10 degree from the top plane and let me undo it, and the distance, that is the angle between these two lines, as 20 degree. Clear? One more, this one has 10 degrees. Now let us define the distance between these 2 points as 150 mm. Exit it. Now using reference geometry axis option, select the cylinder and click on OK. An axis has been created. Once again take revolve command, select a sketch, a center line, click on OK, and our shape has been created. Now in order to pattern it, we have to select linear pattern, define direction as this one. We can either flip upwards or downwards from this icon. Now let me define the distance as 70 mm and the number of items let us take as 15. Now click on OK. Let me convert this circle and extrude it up to a height of 200 mm. Now once again we have to take a front plane, this one, select a center line from this point in this direction, extend it. Once again take a line command and create a shape like this one. Define the angle as 10 degree once again and the distance as 70 mm. In order to close it, create a line and the angle between these two as 20 degrees once again. Clear? Now its position from the top face may be 160 mm. Clear? And let us take fillet and define the radius as 5. Let us guess, yeah, 5 will work. So let us revolve it from the center line and the shape has been created. Once again we have to select a fillet command and select these edges. We have to select an edge, not a face. Oh, let me select it once again. Click on OK and let us reduce the fillet radius to 5 mm and click on OK. Yeah, this one looks good. Now let us select this face, sketch and convert this circle. Now using curves and helix and spiral, flipping the direction, let me flip it where it is, this one, reverse, and defining the revolution as 1 2 3 revolution in the model which I have. and define its pitch as 10. Let us guess 10 is very less, so let me take it as 50 or 55. Yeah, no, let us take it as 50 mm. This one is good. Now we have to select this point and click on OK. Now normal it and let us create a thread. So for creating a thread, let me create a circle, or we can say simply a 3-point arc from this point to this point and like this. Once again we'll have to close it, so let me close it, and these 2 points let us uh, coincide it, and let me define the radius as 4 mm. Clear? So 4 mm is quite less, so let me give it as 8 mm. Now let me see. So now we have to select swept boss, select cross section, and the path, sweep path. Our shape has been created. Unable to create this feature because it would result in zero thickness geometry. Okay, let me reduce the radius as 5 mm, and now let me try uh, swept cross section path. Okay, clear? So now it has been created. Let me hide this plane. So this is our geometry. Now once again we have to select a front plane, or instead of choosing a front plane, let me select this one and normal, and uh, let me create a circle small enough to provide a diameter of 200 mm. Clear? Or simply we can take 250, exit it, and extrude it up to some measurement of 200. 200 is quite good, not so bad. So this is our shape. Now let me take a front plane, let us take a line command and create a cutout like this. So exit it and click on extruded cut, mirrored, click on OK, and our shape is like this one. Now we have to take a shell command. Where it is, shell, click here and define it as 10 mm. Click minimum radius of curvature, so let me take it as 5. Click on OK. Clear? Now let me take a cross section and show you what it is. Clear? Now unselect the cross section, that is a section view. Or this shape has been created. Let me go to edit appearance and select a color. This one looks good, or we can say, yeah, this one is better.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Please share the video. If you